here I am at the Property Investor Show at London Excel. A number of representatives here from North Cyprus. We've been attracting North Cyprus content to the show for, well, pretty much the 20 years of its existence. So it's been a busy couple of days. Stands all reporting brisk business, lots of leads being taken. Seminars all pretty well attended. A lot of interest in the whole range of property types, property services here. Any questions about the event, speak to Propertync. He's been attending the event for probably more years than he cares to remember now, certainly 15 plus.
We as Propertync are exhibiting on the second day of the Property Investor Show in Expo, London. We have had a lot of interest from all different types of people asking many questions about North Cyprus. The show has been very good. There's been a lot of interest as it's the first actually official show straight after the pandemic. There's a lot of people, a lot of visitors coming in today. I've been told that yesterday there was around 5,000, just over 5,000. Today we haven't received the figures yet, but we will receive them later on today. A lot of people actually shown a great interest. The next show is in October, so we hope to see more companies exhibiting here, and it's been a great show. Yes, thank you very much.
We are here at the London Excel in the property show. Very successful show for us. We are presenting our Thalassa, our very own Thalassa, with phase 1 sold out almost with limited inventory. We're about to launch our phase 2. We're very delighted about the show. It's very successful, lots of leads, lots of interested people, and definitely a good place to be.
My company name is Dems Construction. This is the first time I enter this exhibition. It is very useful for us. We have a lot of contacts, we have a lot of customers joined us, and we are very happy for this exhibition organizers.
I'm Derviş Rıza. We are coming from North Cyprus. We are happy to attend the Excel Property Investor Show. We have a huge crowd and good interest on our properties. The clients and agents are interested to buy a property in North Cyprus. We are giving information how to buy, how to come over, how to make their payments.
So I've travelled to southern Cyprus quite a lot, both for personal reasons and for business. I love Cyprus. I've never been to northern Cyprus, but it certainly looks an interesting place to investigate and potentially have a holiday home there or a home there in the future.
Northern Cyprus, I never thought of that, buying or renting there, or even as an investment. I'm certainly very interested in hearing all the details of what's available, what will fit my budget, and also the lifestyle. Very interested in the lifestyle.